Imagine flying into a battle space with three of your friends and any enemy radio communication you could jam at will. Presenting the EA-6B from GPM. I love this kit. Let's begin. This kit can be found on the GPM website. I will try to publish a link below in the description. Of course, I rescaled it as usual and recolored it. Examine the parts carefully, get familiar with the parts, and this one represents the VAQ-140 Patriots. And again, studying the model plans so that I have an idea where we're going. So the first thing we're going to make sure to do is to cut out the former for the fuselage and build the fuselage here. Here we're cutting out and forming the rear bulkhead and stiffener for the tail. So basically the fuselage will be assembled in three parts. Cut only as necessary the panels you need for immediate construction. Besides putting on joining strips, it is a good idea to use a brush handle or anything you find works for you to give a basic shape of the fuselage panel. It will greatly help when the time comes to form, shape, and insert the formers. After the test fit for the former with the tail hook section, I cut an access hole in the former so I can firmly press down on the edges and secure the tail hook recess to the fuselage. The two tools I've learned to never underestimate is one, a toothpick and my brush handle. One of the signature features of the Prowler, of course, it's the gear that's stored in the fin's dome. Take all the time in the world to shape, form, and secure it. And here we go. Nice. For me, I've always found that trying to preform the panels before gluing together and putting in the actual formers really helps tremendously with the smooth flow and attachment of each part. Never be afraid to use both the glue and cryolite glue when working. Cryolite glue to quickly tack things in place, and regular glue for setting a firmer foundation or parts that it's okay to move and adjust as time goes by. Well, I hope you have found this very entertaining so far, and I look forward to seeing you join me again in the future as we complete this build. Please consider subscribing and leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see more of. Next up, hopefully in the future, would be the F-16 Falcon. Until then, my friends, enjoy what you see, stay tuned for so much more, and as usual, happy modeling, be good, be at peace, and one love.